Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come to you real quick and do a unboxing of the winter FabFitFun box. This is my first box ever and I haven't even opened it yet. It's still taped. I wanted to open it up with you. I'm so excited. I've been seeing this forever and ever on Instagram and Facebook and TV, and everywhere because it's advertising. But the amount of items that come in this seems to be very well worth it. And being that it's only 2 weeks away from Christmas, I did put some things in here to make it Christmas presents. So sorry for the shake. I just wanted to. I put you on my desk. I'm just recording this on my computer real quick so I can automatically upload it. Yay! Oh, I love it. The packaging is beautiful. You get a little FabFitFun magazine, and Maria Shriver is in there. She's such a great inspiration to many women. HelloFresh 9 free meals code, and pass this on to a friend. They can get $15 off their first box. Nicely wrapped in tissue paper. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited! Mom, don't watch. Okay, there is a rose gold Adore bracelet, circle bracelet. It's beautiful. There is Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler for your hair. It's a full-size bottle. It is 5 ounces. A color switch, instant brush cleaner. And if you've watched any of my makeup tutorials, if they're up already, you know I use microfiber cloth, so it'll be interesting to see how this works in relationships to that. We have Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. It looks like banana pudding, which is my favorite. Not many people know that. And there's 1, 2, 3. There's 9 colors, all in browns. I'm so excited about that. Let's see, does it smell? No, doesn't smell like pudding though. I know that's funny. Sorry. Let's see what else have we got. We have the original makeup eraser. I am excited to try this and see how it works with my Senegence. What's this? This is Healthy Thirsty Hand Super Hydrating Hand Mask for dry and tired skin. There's one in there. Bluetooth shower speaker. Oh, it's pink with flowers. It's actually quite beautiful. And it looks like it's rechargeable, so that'll be interesting. I'll have to tell you the story of that later. My husband and I have an ongoing debate about whether you need music in the shower or not. Lots and lots of fluff. Some bagged air from California, apparently. Let's put this on eBay, right? And For Love, Not Fur blanket. Oh, this is heavy. What kind of blanket is this? Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my. I thought this was going to be a gift, but I don't think it's going to be anybody's gift but mine. It is very heavy. I will say it is very, very heavy, and it's so super soft. I love the neutral color. It's like the fur on the outside and then like almost a velour on the inside. It's really nice, actually. It's a 50 by 60, 100% polyester, and it is machine washable. So, that's interesting. Is that it? Make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, so that was all that was in my box. The Unhide for Fur Not Love blanket, the Thirsty Hands, the Bluetooth shower speaker. Proof is in the Pudding. And you know, ladies, if you go to Ulta and you go for a palette, a 9 palette, it's going to cost you more than the cost of this box. Just saying. Color switch, makeup eraser. Have you priced these lately? Really? Because I mean, they're outrageous. For just one makeup eraser, again, worth the price of the box. This beautiful little bracelet. And a full-size conditioner, prime and prep detangler for your hair. And that's actually from Dry Bar. Protects up to 450 degrees. So I'm excited to try that, especially with colored hair. Okay, so now that I've gotten it open, I'm so excited to be with FabFitFun. I look forward to unboxing more and more as time goes on. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Excuse the mess behind me. Like I said, we're about 2 weeks away from Christmas, and I'm working on things for the house, decorations and whatnot. So that's all I have for you today. It was just a real quick short video so I could get it up. And I just wanted to make sure that everybody who has an opportunity can. I'm not sure if you can get it before Christmas, though. That's the only problem. But at least you could possibly print it out and give it to somebody in a really nice wrapped box. Voucher saying that you've ordered them a FabFitFun box or you've ordered them the year. That way that they can go in and order what products that they would like to have. So, kudos, extra points if you know who the NYPSD Lieutenant Dallas is and where that's coming from. And I hope to see you real soon. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye.